Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and I want to talk to you about how amazing this Boppy Pillow is and why my son and I both really love it. Now, I typically use this to feed him on a day-to-day basis, and sometimes just while we're sitting and enjoying each other's company. I really enjoy the added support that it gives my son while I'm holding him. I've always felt like he was kind of uncomfortable just resting his head on my forearm, not able to really get situated correctly to where he could sleep and then just relax. And I think that this pillow is wonderful, especially during those sleepless nights. So I am a mother of 4, and I've spent many nights rocking my babies, and each of them have had a Boppy Pillow. And this one in particular I really enjoy because look how adorable that print is. Now, I often have it when my 2-year-old is right around. He likes to look at the animals and point out what type each one is, and that is so, so sweet. The Boppy Pillow even shows on the tag different ways that you can use the pillow. Now, my son falls within the range where he's able to just rest in it with his head facing up. My son and I really enjoy this pillow. I think that you will too, and that's our point of view.